Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be seeing three types of attacks basically made to web application and how to prevent those attacks. So let's jump into the video. So first we'll look into SQL injection attack. This is the web application we gonna attack. This is running in my local. So here is the login page of the application and we are going to log in with the actual users first. So it is allowing us to be logged in. This is the landing page of the application. We will log out and log in back with a different account now. So I'm just trying with the random user email and a random password. So you can see it is not allowing us from a non-registered account. Now we'll try something like this. And with the random password again. Now we got the access, that to admin access. So how this has happened and what is SQL injection attack? SQL injection is a cyber attack in which an attacker runs malicious SQL statements through the application to manipulate the database. In 2011, Barracuda Networks was a victim of this attack. Let me show you the login function of this application. So if you look at the SQL query here for the login function, we have kept email and password which we are getting from the request as JavaScript template strings. Using template strings or string concatenation to inject value into queries opens your application to a large number of vulnerabilities. So to prevent this, we should make use of an ORM and use value as the placeholders. So we will change things a bit here. So we are assigning the values from the body to the newly created variables. And we are binding those values here. We will save and restart the server now. We will try with the same hack now. See, it is not allowing us now. We'll try with the actual user name and password. And it is working. Next, we'll look into XSS attack. This is a simple video player page I've developed to demonstrate this attack. Here you can add comments to that particular video. I'm adding a comment here for now. Saving it. You can see it has got added. Now assume an attacker is viewing the page and in comments is giving something like this. So he is injecting a script here. Document.body.innerHTML equal to h1 tag. He is saving this and reloading the page. You can see the message he injected to this site, and whoever logs in, they see the same message. Not only to display the message like this, XSS attack can be used to steal the cookies as well. So what is XSS attack? So it is a type of injection attack that injects malicious scripts into the web application. Twitter and MySpace were once victims of this attack. This attack can be avoided either by validating the input fields or by adding a content security policy. Now in the code, I'm adding the header here. We will rerun the server. And if you try to inject the script now, it will add as a command instead of executing it. The last one we are going to look into is DoS attack. I have hosted this app in my server here in my network. This is PM to monitor info of the server where the application is running. So here you can see the CPU percentage is 0 and there are no incoming requests. We will see what happens when the server is flooded with numerous requests. I'm going to use Apache benchmark to simulate the requests. This is the command to use. 1000 will be the number of requests and 10 will be the concurrent requests. And here is the URL. Bang. Back to server screen. You can see the incoming request to the server. And CPU is spiking up. And if you try to access the site now from the browser, it is taking too much time to load the app. This is basically a DoS attack. DoS attack meant to shut down or slow down the server or network with numerous requests. In 2018, GitHub was victim of this attack. Now let's see how we can prevent this attack. We are going to rate limit the app's incoming requests, so we will limit each IP to 5 per request, which means from an IP only 5 requests are allowed. We will restart the server. And again we will hit with the simulated requests. Back in server screen, you can see the incoming requests have stopped after 5 requests. And if I go and check in the browser, we can see this message as it has stopped the request from the same IP. The attacks and solutions we have seen here is to give you some understanding of it. Solutions may vary for larger applications, and hacking is punishable, and do not try these attacks on any sites out there. Let me know in the comments if you want to know more about some other attacks. Thank you.